Hey friends, welcome back. This video we're trying to learn how to create a data from the CSV files. So we have already created data for a particular CSV file. We will create some more CSV files, some more data for a CSV file, so that we can create a storyline going forward. Okay. So let's start with that. Okay. So as I've told, in a base, you just need to go to the spaces. So once you go to the spaces, you can get this space y, which is our own space what we have created. Now I'm going to data builder tools. Data builder tools, you will find a space y. Select the space y, and then you can go to the tables. And for tables, you can just click on these things. So it will be just import the CSV file to create a tables. So once it's clicking on the import the CSV files, it's giving you the option how to select a file from the database. So I'm selecting a source file. So once I'm selecting a source file, it's giving me the opening the local file. It's allow me to browse throughout my system, and once I'm browsing throughout my system, I found all those files available. Now all the sales order is created. Now I'm creating the sales order item. So selecting sales order item, it will be created, and it is having the CSV files, which is and it's also the auto detect mode. So once the auto detect mode is done, so it will automatically detect the file name, data type, and all and so on. So click on this upload. It will pulling the data from the local file to the database. So once it is done, now you will get that is actually processing. Now the hot header is coming as a name, and now you can see the sales order, other stuff, sales order item, product ID, notes, and currency, all those available. Now if you have sales order ID, if you click on that, you can set it as a key. So maybe sales order ID, you can set it as a key. Product ID, you can set it as a key, something like that. So you can see once I selected the things, it is selected over here, and here we have an option where you can split, you can create a transform, you can create change case. So change to lowercase, change to uppercase, like you can change the cases. All those information are available. Okay. And also you can see it is in the sales order items. We have a 1930 rows and we have a 13 columns. Now I'm clicking on this deploy so that it can be deployed in a system. So we have the business name and we have the sales order item, technical item. So let's get it deployed. Okay. Here in the option you can change this. Your sales order and sales order item are already deployed. Again you can click the sales order, you can edit this table. You have the columns, you can open the tables, you can have the number list of columns here. So once you select the columns, you have these columns available, like what is the name of the column, what is the data type, what is the default value, or null, not null, is accepted, or it is visible or invisible. Okay. So once it is a sales order ID, so if you would like to change into integer 64 to something else, so you can change it to integer 64 to integer something else. So you can change into integer, you can change into long binary, blah blah, anything you can be changed as it is the case. So I'm not going to take the risk, but you can change the date, you can change the integer change by it's also integer. Let me check into integer 64 to integer. I hope it should not be changed, do anything. So now I'm save these things, and once you are saving, you need to do a deploy. So table saved. Now we are deploying the table. So once deployed table, it is actually kind of save and activation. So table is activated and it is available over there. Okay. Same way, if you just move this check mark, that means it will be not visible. So it is kind of visibility. So if it is, you would like to hide some column, just move this column, so it will be hide, and if you check them, so it will be available. If you would like to do a primary key, so just click on this not null, so it will be not, it will accept not null information. Okay. If you would like to do some key elements, you can just click this check these things, so it will be considered as a key. Okay. So sales order ID, maybe I'm considering as its key. Okay, so this is all about a nutshell. So once I'm said, I'm deploying this file. Okay, the same way I'm going to upload some more files. Okay, so again I'm going to data builders, going to tables, I'm going to input from files, going from CSV. I'm doing very quickly, so hope you can follow this. So now I'm saying doing the business partners and auto detect. I'm clicking on upload. So once it is uploaded, I'm not going to do any kind of R&D. I'm just going to deploy them. Okay, so I'm clicking on deploy, so it is getting deployed. Okay, so one more table is getting created. So it's very easy, right? So consuming a table from CSV file is not a very big deal, so you can do it very easily. What do you say? The same way, one more file I'm going to upload, that is the address files. So I'm again going to following the same steps: CSV files, addresses, auto detect. Use the first row as a column header. So if you have a header in, so that you can keep first row as a column header. If you don't have a header, you can do that same things. You can remove these things. So in that case, you need to probably need to provide the header name. I never tried on that, but I'll try and I'll let you know. Now click on upload. So it's uploaded. So once it is uploaded, then I'm clicking on the deploy, so it can deploy these things. Okay, so I'm clicking on the deploy, so let it be deployed. So it's deployed. So see, now you can see, right, there's lots of tables are already created. So I have created the 4 tables. So you can see this 4 tables: addresses, business partner, sales order, and sales order item. 4 tables are already created, right? Now consider I just would like to do some changes in the addresses table, so I'm just clicking on the addresses table. Okay, so I'll think it's better we can end up today, and maybe the next session we can discuss on the table features properties. Thank you.